How to change your ERPNext theme. First, go to prop.io/pnext. Once you're there, click Start a Free Trial. This will take you to Frappe Cloud where you can sign up, you can continue with Google, or enter your email manually. For this walkthrough, I'll continue with Google and log in with the account I want to use for ERPNext. After logging in, fill in the required details and click Create Account. Then name your new site and click Create. ERPNext will begin setting up your site with a default theme. Just wait for the setup to finish. Next, choose your language, region, and currency. Click Next, complete your account setup, and enter your organization name, affiliation, chart of accounts, and any other details needed. This completes your initial system configuration. Once you're taken to the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Website. Inside the Website section, scroll down and click Website Theme. You'll see your current theme listed as standard. To add a new theme, click Add Website Theme. Give your theme a name. Let's call this one Branding. Select the Google font you want, adjust the default font size, choose your primary color, and customize the font properties. You can also modify the style sheet, scripts, and other design settings. When everything looks good, click Save, and your new theme will be applied.